Hello, and welcome to another update video on Link. We want to stay on the shorter time frame. Today I covered the larger time frame weekly chart already in previous updates. I also posted a weekly chart overview on X earlier today, so feel free to check it out. But here in this video, I just want to show you the microstructure because some of you have asked me how could the market now reach this support area that we've been watching for quite some time. This support zone here for a larger wave 2. We might be on our way to this support area, right? And remember that we can view this move to the upside as a wave 1, and now we could be in a wave 2 correction. The relevant Fibonacci support levels that we're watching, they start at around $13.30, plus minus a few cents, depending on which exchange you're looking at. Then we've got 1560, 1740, and 1946. Please don't treat these as exact levels. They are more like zones, areas of interest. We know that a wave 2 should often bottom in such an area. And a wave 2 tends to, and that's just one of these Elliott wave guidelines, a wave 2 tends to complete in the area of a wave 4 of one lesser degree. In translation, that means this could be somewhere in this area, where the price formed a local low. Here around $16. So it might be this area between the 61.8 fib to 50% fib. So that's what we are tracking here at the moment. I treat this as an A, B, C structure. The price has given us some clarity here and has indicated that this yellow scenario seems to be leading. In previous updates, we also discussed a possible blue scenario, but if you watch those videos, then you know that we had some 5-wave movements to the downside, right? Especially here, and this also looked like 5 down, so that was a warning. And so we are left without any bottoming confirmation, and really for any confirmation that we are going higher, we really need, overall, we need a break above this yellow trend line. We've been talking about that, I think, every single day in the last few weeks. And in the very short term, and I've added this resistance area to the chart, in the very short term, the price would need to break above $22.47 to signal any short-term recovery. If that happens, then we have to monitor, okay, are we getting 5 waves up? That might be the next indication that the bulls are really starting to take the lead. But for now, the pressure still appears downward, and it seems like that this C wave down would need at least one more low. Now, why is this resistance area there? Because a wave 4 should not break above the 50% retracement of the third wave to the downside. Normally, you'd say the ideal target for a fourth wave is the 38.2 retracement. So we might, after this liquidation event, you could say, I'm sure some longs got liquidated there. We might see a bounce towards this resistance area. It's just an area that is often triggered and reached in any fourth wave. So we might get there and then see some downside pressure from there. It's even possible that this third wave gets some more downside extensions, not absolutely needed, because we don't really see a clear 5-wave sequence in this third wave yet. But sometimes, and we know that especially in crypto, when we have these very, very strong candles, microstructure counting doesn't make sense. So I would already prepare for this to be this fourth wave. The third to the downside is long enough. Normally we say first ideal target 138% extension was easily reached. So this could already be this wave degree, and maybe we just need one more low. But any break, as I said, above 22.47 would signal maybe we are already recovering. Either way, the larger time frame assumption remains unchanged. The yellow scenario sends us into the support zone. Any 5-wave move up is a signal the bulls might already start to take the lead. But I gotta say, this here looks unfinished to the downside. To assume we've bottomed already would require this to be a WXY structure. That's a less common structure, and we haven't even reached support. So I think maybe this is the correction that we finally need to get this, correction completed, because with endless sideways action, corrections are often that's just dragging out and grinding, and it takes forever. So sometimes it just needs a good flush, in Rectember to get this correction done. That's the update on Link. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you're interested in additional updates, make sure you check out our membership options. You can find an explanation of our membership here in this video on our channel page. You get access to our weekly member live streams. Yesterday, I think I covered 36 coins or so in our live stream, so the recording is available to get all of these bonus updates. In addition to that, there are regular member-only videos. Today I covered Sui for members, a few days ago, for example, Sand. So there are additional bonus updates for those who support the channel. As a thank you, and if you're a gold member, you can even access our Discord server, ask questions for me to cover in videos, for example. You can access our Tradingview live charts. You can access other macro charts, a lot of additional updates that, you won't find anywhere else for this price, to be honest. Also, sometimes gold and silver bonus updates are included, some stocks updates, and much more. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.